How to share a template on CapCut. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guided studio. So if you want to share your favorite templates with your friends and family, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Well, so now to share any templates on CapCut, the very first thing that you have to do, go ahead and open up the CapCut application from your mobile and then simply go and tap on the templates option. From the templates, go and select your favorite template first. So let's say I just want to share these templates with my friends. So I'm gonna open up the template first, and once it gets open, you'll get to see the three-dot line at the bottom right. You can tap on this and this will give you the option to share it with Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and if you have other option, you can go through directly with this. And also you can copy the link of this specific template. You can tap on these and the link will be copied, and now we can share this link through other social media application. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.